Global Foundries is taking candidates for the internship software. They'll be giving internship plus job offer. In this video, let me see what are all the eligibility criteria to apply for this particular intern and some other informations about the Global Foundries. First, the company profile. Global Foundries is an American semiconductor foundry headquartered in Santa Clara, California, United States. Global Foundries was created by debenture of manufacturing arm of Advanced Micro Devices. The Emirate of Abu Dhabi is the owner of company through its subsidiary Advanced Technology Investment Company. The firm manufactures integrated circuit in high volume mostly for semiconductor companies such as AMD, Broadcom, Qualcomm and ST Microelectronics. It have 5 200 mm water fabrication plants in Singapore, 1 300 mm plant each in Germany and Singapore. You can read these things about the company, and they have given the job description. We are looking for fresh graduates or final year students to work on IT applications as a member of development team reporting to software development manager. The candidate will participate in every phase of the software development lifecycle from the design stage up to the final product release. The candidate will play a critical role in driving the development phase of the software development lifecycle and supporting the application. The candidate will work closely with the developers, project managers, testers, and end users. The responsibilities include design, development of software, creating unit testers. Candidates should be able to drive and execute development with effectiveness and thereby reduce the maintenance cost. These are the job description they have given for the candidates. The essential responsibilities of the candidates are understanding specifications and come up with a design, will be required to work with APIs for different services, work with teams across multiple geographic locations around the globe. These are the responsibilities they have given. Role is intern software. If you perform well in the internship, they will be giving the full-time job offer. So you can perform well in internship to get the full-time job offer. The internship duration is of 6 months. And they will be giving the stipend also, and they have not mentioned about the stipend details in the web page. The eligibility criteria they have been given us: final year students pursuing a BE or BTech in computer engineering or fresh graduate in computer science, 60% or 6 CGPA and above throughout without any running backlogs. 2020 and 2021 graduates are eligible for this particular role. The year of experience they have given is 0 to 1 year of experience. Knowledge and skills they are required are advanced degree in computer science, software engineer or relevant field, understanding of software development lifecycle SDLC, understanding of object-oriented programming, exposure to programming languages like Java, C, understanding of database concepts and ability to write SQL queries, understanding web technologies like HTML, XML, web services, etc. These are the knowledges and skills they have been given. I will be giving one tip here. Prepare your resume based on the skills and knowledge they have given in the screen. Just take the screenshot and prepare your resume based on the knowledge and skills given in the screen. And this is the link where you can use for applying for this particular role. I'll be giving the link in the description box. You can use the link to apply for this particular role. And if you have any queries, you can ask me via the Telegram. I will be giving the Telegram link too in the description. You can use the Telegram. If you have any queries, you can ask me. And if you want to know the updates about the jobs daily, you can follow me via the Telegram and the YouTube channel. All the best for your Global Foundries interview process.